How to fix missing or disappearing photo in Moto G Stylus. First of all, clear gallery cache. Open setting now. In settings, scroll down. Click on apps now. Here you will see app, search gallery app. Now click on gallery app. Scroll down. Click on storage, add cache. Now here you will see clear cache, and if you want to clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, gallery will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, check hidden files. Open gallery. Now in gallery and check hidden files. After check hidden files, now go back. After that, check recycle bin or trash. Again open gallery. Scroll down, click on trash or recycle bin. Now here you will see missing or disappearing photo or video. Select photo or video that you want to restore. After selecting, tap and hold on video or photo and click on restore. After click on restore, missing or disappearing photo will be restored from your phone gallery. This is how you can fix missing or disappearing photo in Moto G Stylus. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.